Welcome back to the channel. I know y'all probably get tired of seeing me, but let's go, y'all. I am doing another scratcher tray. I already have the base poured. It's just like a pearl white. I usually do pearl white with all the backgrounds. It just really helps the colors from the alcohol ink pop. This is going to be a new and upcoming channel, you guys, but you can still go over and subscribe and show them some love and support so they have some subscribers before they start their channel. This is the logo I am doing. I still have to trim it out and cut it out, but it's called Winter Winter Gator Dinner. Look at the pretties. I know the light. And it's storming out, so the sun is not out. Look at the pretty purples and blues and then gold. I don't have any gold in my alcohol ink. I need to get some, but what we're going to do to substitute for that gold is we're going to use a regular purple. I have purple gem, so this has the metal, like the flake in it, the shimmer. The blue ice is what I used on East Coast Scratchers tray, which freaking turned out amazing. White, and then just a traffic blue. So I got all these shook up. Gotta make sure they're all shook up. We're gonna go ahead and get this clear poured in here. So I've already skipped the boring part. Make sure you guys can see the tray. That might help, huh? Point you guys down a little bit there. There we go. So this is really what we're working on today. I have some little side orders I'm working on, but they don't want their stuff on there, so there's that. All right, let's go. So I'm gonna pour this clear in here. So I pretty much know how this goes. Yeah, I went to the post office a couple times in the past 3 weeks, and every time I go, it's a different price. So I don't know what's going on in the world today. I mean, I do, but like, you know what I mean? So we gotta make sure this is all filled in, all the way to the edges, like so. It's getting in there. Kind of let that do its thing here. I'll just pour this over here because I do have like a few coins of myself, of my own, I was gonna try and pour anyways. With some extra here. That was actually just the right amount. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I post every Wednesday. I mainly do epoxy stuff, but I do cooking and other weird stuff on here. My nails, whatever. You know, we just sit, chat, bullshit, and all that stuff. I appreciate all love support. I appreciate all the orders. If you're interested in getting a scratcher tray made or anything else, shoot me an email at princessscratcher@yahoo.com and we can discuss it. All right, let me shake these colors up. Get these lids off here. So we got, what would I say it was? Traffic blue. This purple here is almost gone. Just purple. We have a purple gem, which has flake, like I say flake, but like a shimmer in it. You know, I'm having a slow moment here. Blue ice, which that one is really pretty too. And then, of course, white, because the white really helps. So what we're going to do is get these drops in here. Let it do its thing, and then we're going to swirl it. So I was trying to figure out which way I wanted to go. That's probably the hardest part. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to drop some blue. This is the blue ice. This is the regular blue. I'll do some white. Then I'm going to do the purple gem. This is open. I can't think of what the heck I used it on. Now we're going to do regular purple. Because there's a lot of purple and blue in that. But like I said, gold, but I don't have gold. But I think this is going to look pretty badass. Put some white. And we're just going to repeat the steps with the colors. So we have blue ice. Regular blue. White. I'm undecided which way I'm going to swirl it. I'll kind of know once I get this, all the colors in here and get it dropped. We got the purple gem. Okay. Purple. I'm going to do white. And blue. I'm kind of just looking around and seeing, because it's going to do its own thing. I am going to put some more over here. Kind of just let it drip out on its own. Okay. The blue eyes, the ones with the shimmer in it are really pretty. It just helps add that little bit of touch of metallic. If that makes sense. I like it. Put a little more in this purple. Uh-oh. Ooh, I got lucky. That's it for that purple. Alright. That one's toast. So we're going to let that do its thing here. Let me look here. Let me look, see, y'all. Let me look, see. Yeah, see, some of the other purples I have, I am not, I don't like it. Alright, let me get my stick. So I could kind of figure out which way I'm going to swirl this, because I still have no idea, y'all. But y'all watch that do its little thing there. Let me get my stick and a paper towel. We got this paper towel here. I kind of want to put some more purple in there. But I don't really have... Let's see. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, yeah, that's great. That's a darker purple. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's looking good there. All right. So here is the question. Which way to swirl it? So as we're sitting here waiting for this to kind of just sit and sink and do its thing, we have to think. We have to think. And thank you guys so much, like I said, for all love support. You guys rock. This week's video probably won't be as long unless I start working on something else. All right. So as I'm looking at it, because I went this way, right? I kind of want to go diagonal. But then I kind of want to swirl it this way. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to let this sit here and make sure you guys can see. So you can see what it's doing. Let me get y'all in here a little closer. There we go. Let me stand up and see. Which way do I want to swirl this? I could do it like I did Veteran Scratchers tray, because that looks really cool. And remember, this is the logo that's going on there. Ooh. Or I can swirl it. Ooh, I could do... Well, that's the same way, though. I'm thinking, y'all. I'm thinking why it's sitting there doing its thing. It's a hard decision to figure out which way you really want to swirl these. You know what I mean? So as I'm thinking. So let's give this a second and we'll be right back. Alright, you guys. I had to sit and think for a minute. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to sit here and watch me think. So I am going to go diagonal down, but I'm going to swirl it in like a loop-de-loop pattern. I don't know the correct term for it, okay? I'm a hillbilly, so I couldn't tell you what the correct term of it is. But let's go. Let's see, and as always, Mr. Snorebox is in the background. Snoring. Doing his thing, as usual. He's got such a hard life, y'all. You know what I mean? That actually looks pretty cool. I'm just going to kind of just go around and swirl. Kind of have that marble effect look to it. And then, you know, I always go around. Let me wipe this off here. Stand up and look at this. That boy just got such a hard life, I swear. I like that because, ooh, you can see the shimmer. I don't want to outdo the shimmer. So to kind of give you guys an idea and not drop you in the tray, this is what it's going to look like. I think that's pretty badass. I think the colors are spot on, you guys. I like that. I don't want to swirl it too much. It's kind of got the whole marble look. But obviously I'll do a short in the sun when it's all done. But I think that's gonna look really cool. So winner gator dinner. I hope you like that. That's just the first step. We got to see how it goes. It's got to sit for 24 hours. I put the logo on it, then we'll put the clear on it, and then we'll go. But I think I got the colors spot on, you guys. I think they look good. Alright, so let's let this sit, and we'll be back in 24 hours. Hey, how is everyone doing? It's technically one long video, but it's been a couple days for me. It has been 48 hours. I went ahead and put the sticker on this tray, and I got the clear on there and sealed it in. We're about to pop it out the mold. So this is a new and upcoming channel, you guys. Winner, Gator Dinner, excuse me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It just, I mean, it's so shiny. That just shows you how shiny the epoxy is. But let's go on and take this sucker out. Now, if you are watching this, Winner, Gator Dinner, I have to go around and sand all the edges. It needs to set. It needs to set for, I like to let it set for a week, but it needs to set. And then I will get that shipped out to you. So if you get a chance, I need you to email me my address, or your address. Yeah, my address. I need you to email me your address, so when I do ship this, I can get this out to you. Let me turn this here. I will be making a short of this too, and I will be doing it outside, because you can't really see the shimmers and the blues and the purple. See what I mean? But I gotta get that off the edges. That sucker turned out amazing, y'all. That is so cool. And then I really didn't make nothing else when I was making this. I had some leftover epoxy, so I did a few coins with my thing. I actually put a clear sticker on a pearl white. This is actually going to go to this person here, Winner Gator Dinner, so they have a scratcher tool to use of mine. So I got that one. I did that one. And then I think I did this one too. I did that one there. So just playing around. That's a regular sticker. And then this is the translucent sticker. They both look good. But I'm going to send him some stuff. These here, I just got to put some more clear on them. I'm undecided. I still got to check my poll. If you don't know what I'm talking about, on my other channel, Princess Scratcher, I have a poll going to either get a metal coin made, which is about 300 to 400 depending. A dog tag's about 100. Or I can make a set of 2 epoxy coins, but it would be 2 different logos. For that, it's just my time. A lot of time, y'all. A lot of time. But I'm still undecided. I'm going to leave that poll up for a little longer on my other channel. If you haven't, go over and vote. I appreciate it. Thank you, everybody, for all the love and support. I am officially caught up on orders. So, if you're wanting a scratcher tray made, or some epoxy coins made, hit me up, shoot me an email, or whatever else I make. And we, oh, I had to knock my stuff off the table, and we can get that done for you guys. And yeah, shoot me an email at princessscratcher@yahoo.com. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share. It doesn't cost a thing. Winner Gator Dinner. This turned out absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. Unfortunately, I didn't have gold, but it still turned out amazing, y'all. So until next time, y'all have a good one, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.